Hello friends. Welcome to our Premium Institute channel. Friends, आज इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे इम्पोर्टेंट इकोनॉमिक्स MCQ. यह वीडियो आपके एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. Let's start the video. 1. The difference between the gross national product (GNP) and net national product (NNP) is equal to A. Direct tax, B. Imports, C. Depreciation, D. Subsidies. Answer C. Depreciation. Note, NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. 2. Which plan aimed at growth with social justice and equality? A. 9th 5-year plan, B. 8th 5-year plan, C. 7th 5-year plan, D. 10th 5-year plan. Answer A. 9th 5-year plan, 1997 to 2002. 3. Inflation is measured by which of the following indices in India for policy purposes by RBI? A. Wholesale Price Index, WPI, B. Consumer Price Index, CPI, combined, C. Producer Price Index, PPI, D. GDP deflator. Answer B. Consumer Price Index, CPI, combined. 4. Who presented the first budget of independent India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. R.K. Shanmukham Chettai, C. Liaquat Ali Khan, D. Morarji Desai. Answer B. R.K. Shanmukham Chettai. Note, presented on 26 November 2019, 47. 5. Which agency is responsible for estimating the national income in India? A. Reserve Bank of India, RBI, B. National Statistical Office, NSO, C. Niti Aayog, D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer B. National Statistical Office, NSO. Note, previously CSO, Central Statistics Office, did this. It has now merged with National Sample Survey Office, NSSO, to form NSO. 6. Fiscal deficit is equal to A. Total expenditure minus total receipts, B. Total expenditure minus revenue receipts plus non-debt creating capital receipts, C. Revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts, D. Capital expenditure minus capital receipts. Correct answer B. Total expenditure minus revenue receipts plus non-debt creating capital receipts. 7. A situation where there is high inflation combined with high unemployment and stagnant growth is called A. Deflation, B. Stagflation, C. Hyperinflation, D. Reflation. Correct answer B. Stagflation. 8. Which of the following is considered the actual national income of a country? A. GDP at market price, B. NNP at market price, C. NNP at factor cost, D. GDP at factor cost. Correct answer C. NNP at factor cost. 9. GST is which type of tax? A. Direct tax, B. Indirect tax, C. Proportional tax, D. Progressive tax. Correct answer B. Indirect tax. 10. The main function of the Finance Commission is A. To prepare the union budget, B. To distribute the net proceeds of taxes between the centre and states, C. To control inflation, D. To audit government accounts. Correct answer B. To distribute the net proceeds of taxes between the centre and states. 11. Which deficit indicates that the government is borrowing just to pay interest on previous loans? A. Fiscal deficit, B. Primary deficit, C. Revenue deficit, D. Monetized deficit. Correct answer is C. Revenue deficit. Note, if primary deficit is 0, it means borrowing is only for interest payments. 12. The concept of 5-year plans in India was borrowed from the Constitution of A. USA, B. UK, C. USSR, Russia, D. Germany. Correct answer, C. USSR, Russia. 13. If we deduct depreciation from GDP, the measure of aggregate income that we obtain is called A. GNP, B. NNP, C. NDP, D. Disposable income. Correct answer, C. NDP, Net Domestic Product. 14. Too much money chasing too few goods describes which type of inflation? A. Cost push inflation, B. Demand pull inflation, C. Structural inflation, D. Built-in inflation. Correct answer, B. Demand pull inflation. 15. Which of the following is a direct tax? A. Customs duty, B. Excise duty, C. Corporate tax, D. Service tax. Correct answer, C. Corporate tax. Note, income tax, wealth tax, abolished, and corporate tax are direct. 16. What does the term per capita income refer to? A. Total income of the family, B. Average income of the country, C. Income of the rich class only, D. Income of the government. Correct answer, B. Average income of the country. Formula: total national income divided by total population. 17. Which of the following is a capital receipt? A. Income tax, B. GST collection, C. Disinvestment, selling shares of PSUs, D. Dividends from PSUs. Correct answer, C. Disinvestment. Note, capital receipts either create a liability, loans, or reduce an asset, selling shares. 18. Deficit financing implies that the government borrows money from A. The World Bank, B. The RBI, by printing new currency, C. The public, D. Commercial banks. Correct answer, B. The RBI. 19. Which sector contributes the highest share to India's GDP? A. Agriculture, B. Manufacturing, C. Services, tertiary, D. Mining. Correct answer, C. Services, tertiary. 20. The value of all final goods and services produced within the boundary of a nation during 1 year is known as A. Gross National Product, GNP, B. Gross Domestic Product, GDP, C. Net National Product, NNP, D. National Income. Correct answer, B. Gross Domestic Product, GDP. 21. A persistent fall in the general price level of goods and services is known as A. Disinflation, B. Deflation, C. Stagflation, D. Depreciation. Correct answer, B. Deflation. 22. Salaries, pensions, and interest payments are examples of A. Capital expenditure, B. Revenue expenditure, C. Plan expenditure, D. Development expenditure. Correct answer, B. Revenue expenditure. Note, these do not create assets or reduce liabilities. 23. Which of the following is not included in the calculation of national income? A. Wages, B. Rent, C. Transfer payments, D. Profit. Correct answer, C. Transfer payments. Example, pensions, scholarships. Note, these are one-sided payments without any productive service in return. 24. A tax where the rate of tax increases as the income of the pair increases is called A. Regressive tax, B. Proportional tax, C. Progressive tax. D. Digressive tax. Correct answer, C. Progressive tax. Example, income tax in India. 25. Cost push inflation occurs due to A. Increase in money supply. B. Increase in population. C. Increase in the cost of raw materials and wages. D. Decrease in direct taxes. Correct answer, C. Increase in the cost of raw materials and wages. 27. Who was the first person to estimate national income in India? A. VKRV Rao. B. Dada Bhai Nauroji. C. PC Mahalanobis. D. Sardar Patel. Correct answer, B. Dada Bhai Nauroji. 28. Expenditure on building roads, bridges, and hospitals is treated as A. Revenue expenditure. B. Capital expenditure. C. Unplanned expenditure. D. Committed expenditure. Correct answer, B. Capital expenditure. 29. Disinflation refers to A. A decrease in the rate of inflation. B. Negative inflation, falling prices. C. An increase in prices. D. A situation of recession. Correct answer, A. A decrease in the rate of inflation. 30. GDP deflator is a ratio between A. Nominal GDP and real GDP. B. Nominal GNP and real GNP. C. GDP at factor cost and GDP at market price. D. Inflation and deflation. Correct answer, A. Nominal GDP and real GDP. Formula: nominal GDP divided by real GDP, multiply by 100. 31. Which method is not used to calculate national income in India? A. Income method. B. Expenditure method. C. Production, value added, method. D. Investment method. Correct answer, D. Investment method. 32. If the contribution of the agricultural sector to GDP declines, it generally indicates that the economy is A. Regressing. B. Developing. C. Stagnant. D. Collapsing. Correct answer, B. Developing. Note: as economies develop, the share of industry and services typically rises while agriculture falls. 33. What is cess? A. Tax on tax for a specific purpose. B. Tax on income. C. Tax on property. D. Penalty for late payment. Correct answer, A. Tax on tax for a specific purpose. Example, health and education cess. 34. GNP is equal to GDP plus X. Here, X stands for A. Depreciation. B. Net factor income from abroad. C. Indirect taxes. D. Subsidies. Correct answer, B. Net factor income from abroad. 35. Who drafted the People's Plan in 1945? A. M. N. Roy. B. J. R. D. Tata. C. S. N. Agrawal. D. Jai Prakash Narayan. Correct answer, A. M. N. Roy. 36. An increase in the repo rate by the RBI is likely to A. Increase inflation. B. Decrease inflation. C. Have no impact on inflation. D. Increase money supply. Correct answer, B. Decrease inflation. Note: higher repo rate makes loans expensive, reducing money supply and demand. 37. The first 5-year plan, 1951 to 56, was based on which model? A. Mahalanobis model. B. Harrod-Domar model. C. Gadgil model. D. Lewis model. Correct answer, B. Harrod-Domar model. 38. The 20-point program was first launched in the year? A. 1969, B. 1975, C. 1982, D. 1991. Correct answer, B. 1975. 39. Customs duty is levied on A. Goods produced within the country, B. Goods imported and exported, C. Income of individuals, D. Sale of goods within a state. Correct answer, B. Goods imported and exported. 40. Economic reforms, LPG means liberalization, privatization, globalization, were introduced in India in 1991. This was just before the launch of the A. 7th Plan, B. 6th Plan, C. 9th Plan, D. 8th Plan. Correct answer, D. 8th Plan, 1992 to 1997. फ्रेंड्स, यह इम्पोर्टेंट इकोनॉमिक्स MCQ। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारा कंटेंट नॉलेजेबल लगा तो हमारी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर करो एंड हमारे प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन फॉर नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियोज। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।